Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I installed this V-part wig. So shout out to Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I received in my package. So I got a melt band, a wig cap, a silk bag, another melt band, some eyelashes, a wig cap, a makeup brush, and of course the wig itself. So this was a Kinky curly V-part wig in 24 inches. So I'm just going to show you guys exactly how this wig looked. It was super easy to install. This type of wig is definitely for beginners. So as you can see, there's the V part, and that's where I leave my leave out. And we have these clips that we attach around the leave out. So there's 5 clips going around. And as you can see, you can open it and close it. That's how you attach it on your head. And then we have 2 combs at the side and also 1 comb at the back. We also have the adjustable bands, of course. And there was also another elastic band in there, but you can always adjust it. So that was great. So I'm just showing you guys how the inside looked and also how these curls are looking. Once again, this is a kinky curly texture. So I'm going to show you guys how I even blended my hair in with this. Like, this was great. Alright, so jumping straight into this tutorial, my hair was already washed and blow dried, all that good stuff. So I'm just going to create my leave out, and I decided to do a middle part. So I will be parting my hair down the middle and creating that V shape for my leave out to leave on top of the wig. So you want to put that away, and then also I decided to leave out the sides of my hair, so you're going to see me part that out as well. So now I'm going to just do 2 braids. So I made a part down the middle, and I'm going to do 1 braid back on one side and then another braid back on the other side. So once I finished doing my 2 braids, I'm just using a small elastic band and tying my ends. That way the braids don't come out. And also, this little trick of mine, to make my part longer, I just go ahead and cut the part a little bit further back, because sometimes I find that the parting is short, but it is a simple fix. I just go ahead, make a little slit, and my part just becomes longer, and I just love it. So I used the combs at the top, well, the clips, and I just clip it in right along the parting that I left out, as you can see. And I'm just combing through the hair with my hands, so you want to make sure you hold on to it, because of course it's not sewn down or anything like that. So I like to hold down onto the wig itself. But yeah, once the wig is on, I honestly just clipped the 4 clips, the 2 at the sides. I just clipped those in, and that was it. So once I did that, went in with my water bottle and sprayed the hair. So I've been using this Argan Oil Cream of Nature product. It's a curl product, and I just put it all throughout the hair. It might look like a lot, but it does the job. So you just see me spreading it all over the hair, kind of combing it through with my hands. So once I've put all the product in my hair, I'm gonna go in now and blend my leave out with this curly hair. As you can see, my hair is straight, so I'm going in with this mini crimper. I love this crimper because it helps me so much when it comes to my curly hair and doing my leave out. So I use this mini crimper to crimp my hair, and I purchased this from a local Sally's beauty supply store, but I do have one linked in my Amazon storefront if you're interested. It is linked over there, so you can go ahead and check it out. But yeah, any hair that I've left out, I just go ahead and crimp it with this iron. So once I finish crimping everything, I'm going in with my Paris hair wax stick, and I'm just placing it on the top portion of my leave out, and I'm just combing that into the top of the wig. Once I've done that, I'm using my fingers and I'm basically mixing my hair with this kinky curly hair. So it's really just using your fingers and combing through the hair to blend in the leave out, and that's exactly what you see me doing. So as you can see, it doesn't like literally match, like the crimp curls don't literally match the hair, but once you mix it in with the curly hair, look at that blend. So I just use my oil sheen and I'm just spraying my hair for that final touch, and this was it. Like, isn't that amazing? But this is basically the final look. This is how it looks with my natural blend with the curly hair, and I love it. I do this all the time. It just works so good. So shout out to Beauty Forever once again for sending over this unit. All the information on this wig will be down below, so don't forget to check them out. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Let me know if you like this unit, And I'll see you guys in the next video because I have another one coming up.